plane just crashed with the coke.
That's right, the plane just landed. If you want to win this 2024 BMW S1000RR with race and dynamic package, M-Forged wheels, quick shifter up and down, a Kropovich exhaust, and much, much more. So for your chance to enter to win it, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com, donate or buy the merch, and you're automatically entered.
Go back. Go yet. Big march outside. I don't know why, but we're gonna find out. Let me hear that motherfucker. Let me hear it. It don't got no sound? Let me hear that motherfucker. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Can get in the way of what I... Good look, brother. Pointed at him, he didn't even acknowledge it. Must be a squid. Got the gang in the house. Gang, gang. Beautiful city. I see over there, Pop. I see you, baby. I caught a peeking in the car. And go straight that way. Straight through. It's alright, baby. No! Oh, I saw that! I saw that! Oh, we meet again, Scooter. You're still scooting. Be scared now, Rooster. Ow! I just want you close. Ow. Wow. Seen over there peeking. She was peeking. Caught her peeking. Caught her with a little sneak peek. Ooh, look at the spandex. These look like she had something tucked. What's up, little buddy? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Baby coming through. Watch out now. I think that train going the wrong goddamn way. I ain't never seen a train go up that block. Never. Old car out here, old school. Damn, seen you peek. Gorgeous. I seen you peek though, baby. Quarter. Quarter.
Full RPM here, guys. Back with another legendary video. I'm giving away this 2024 BMW S1000RR plus 5,000 euro, man, to one lucky winner, man or a woman. Man or a woman. Gorgeous, man. Gorgeous. Somebody's gonna win 5,000 euro and this bad boy, bad girl, whatever you want to call it. But her name is Snow White. Because if a woman wins it, she's gonna say it's a guy, and if a guy wins it, he'll continue the legacy as it's a woman. But for your chance to win it, man, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com, donate or buy the merch, and you're automatically entered to win it, man. Here it is. Silver metallic, purple, yellow, white, and black. One of one. One of one. You see it? I think it's gorgeous, man. I think it's gorgeous. The purple over here. The purple and black BMW logos. Akrapovic exhaust. M-forged wheels. Wherever you are in the world, man, enter to win it. Make sure this thing gets to you. Make sure to get to you, man. Gorgeous.